This is day one of grinding, and this podcast is not related to grinding, but I'm doing this to keep track of whatever I am doing. So, to do this consistently, I need to keep tracks. So, this daily podcast is one of the measure that I can see how consistent I am. So, here in this podcast, we discuss about a lot of things. So, from philosophies to business to life, everything, whatever we experience in day to day activities and in life. So, today, what I am going to discuss here is about the book called Zero to One. So, Zero to One is a book which was written by Peter Thiel, who was the co founder of PayPal and Palantir, and he has also funded Facebook, and he is one of the first outsider who made investment in Facebook. So here in this book, he talks about startups and how to build startups. Uh, During this, I liked one point here. He says, "Do one thing." So basically, he is saying that if you are doing a startup or business, uh, we can say we can apply this on our business also. So he says assign one task for one employee. So uh, there are a lot of politics inside a company. They each employee hate each other because of their work, and there are a lot of competition in the company itself, and this creates a lot of mess, and this might uh, make the startup fail. uh, if we especially talking about startup, this can ruin the startup culture also. So what he says in this book is that if you are a startup, you have to move fast. So what you have to do is that you have to assign uh, employee a particular work and another employee another work. So each task should be unique, and you have to evaluate on the basis of their work. So by that, the employee might be knowing how you are going to evaluate. So because they have specific outcomes for that task, they would be working efficiently on that project, which makes the work easy for everyone, and also it keeps the culture of the company alive. And this ecosystem make use I mean it might help the businesses or the startups by eliminating this competition. And also the startup needs to move faster, so that's why their culture should be perfect. So I thought it might be useful for those who are building something. If somehow you get this video, please you can read the book Zero to One. I would recommend Zero to One by Peter Thiel. It is a very good book. He talks about the startups, and which is a very different perspective, I believe. So usually we talk about competition, etc., etc., but he directly talks about monopoly. So if you want to do business, you have to do monopoly, he says. And he says about business cannot be copied. That he says the Facebook cannot be built again, the Instagram cannot be built again, the Mark Zuckerberg cannot come again, and the Elon Musk cannot come again, because in business the things happen only once. So these are huge things. You cannot copy them, and you can apply to your business to make something bigger. You can apply and you can do some money, but it is not going to make some revolution in the tech industries or in the business. So it is a very good book. I would recommend all of you who are building something to read, even if you are building some business, not startup, or if you are having any business, you can read it. It might be helpful. So that's all. This is the day one. Thank you.